Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maya, and if you're new here, you're welcome to join our tribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful body wrap. I call it spider whimsical webs. But before we start this project, I would like to invite you to just take a moment with me and let's do the meditation together. I want to introduce you to the guided meditation. Just simply close your eyes and leave your mouth slightly open. You can take your right hand and place on your heart and your left hand on your stomach. And just breathe deep and long. Connect with your heart and connect with the air that you breathe inside your body. Take a moment to acknowledge this air as it is a gift because it gives you life. Take a moment to receive this gift and allow this air to nourish you from within, knowing that you are part of this great spirit, this earth, this sky, and that everything that you see in the nature you have inside yourself, the water, the air, the open sky, and the flow of life like this river flow. Knowing that you are part of this, the force of love, which moves in you and give you life. Take a moment to receive all that life is offering you right here and right now. And now you can slowly open your eyes and little smile to yourself for that you take a moment to connect not just the body but the spirit as well. So when you're ready, we can start this project together. Let's pick up the hook and the yarn. So in this project, I choose to work with this yarn, the yarn called Lang Yarn di Pinto, and is a fingering weight yarn. I use about 4 skeins and a little bit, and yeah, I actually got it from lovecrochet.com. I will put the link for you down below, and you can also purchase the same yarn if you want to, or if you don't like this yarn, you can use any yarn that have the same weight and it will be fine. And I use the hook, 3mm hook, so you will see that it will work a little slow because the yarn also quite thin and the hook is small as well. Here I didn't show the button, but in the end I decided to add one wooden button. If you want to do the same, just go ahead, find the button you like and just use it in the end. You need a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. And I want to let you know that this design is very simple. It's just a multiple chain of 9 plus 3. I demonstrate size SM, and as it is the body wrap, so it's not like fitting on the body, so you can make any sizes that you want. So for the size small and medium, chain 117 plus 3, and for the L's and XL you will chain about 135 plus 3, and if you want to make bigger, you just multiple 9 chain more if you want. I will have all info with the written pattern in my blog for you. You will get my link, the link to my blog in the description box below as well. All right, so to start, when you got already the chain, the number of chain for your size, you're gonna add 1 double crochet in 4 chain from hook and 1 double crochet in each chain stitch across to finish the first row. And the second row is also very simple. For the second row, you will just chain 3 to build up the yarn, and then you will just gonna crochet 1 double crochet from 4 chain from hook as well, and 1 double crochet in each stitch across, and that you will make the second row the same way. And now row 3, chain 3 to build up the yarn, and you add 1 double crochet in 4 chain from hook and 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochet stitch from the previous row. Now you got total of 5 double crochet here. Now you're gonna chain 4, skip 1, and you're gonna add 1 triple crochet. Look how I do a triple crochet. Oh, it's not so clear. I hope the next one is clear. Then you're gonna skip 1, and again you're gonna add 1 triple crochet. I'm so sorry it's not focused, but the triple crochet is very simple. You just yarn over 2 times, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 all together 3 times. So it's like so. After you have made 4 triple crochet and skip 1 every time, then you're gonna chain 4 and skip 1 again, and you're gonna add 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet from the previous row. And this is the pattern of row 3. I hope you understand and able to see. I will show you again. Here I think I will open, yeah, here. So you see, every time you do triple crochet you skip 1, and now you chain 4 again, and you're gonna skip 1, and you're gonna repeat that over again until the end of the row to complete row 3. You just have to make sure that at the end of the row you finishing with double crochet like this, 1 double crochet in each of the 5 double crochet from previous row, just like how you start the beginning. So in the end should be the same, and this is how you finish your 3rd row. And now we're going to continue row number 4. So the row 4, we're gonna chain 3 to build up the yarn and turn our work. We're gonna add 1 double crochet in 4 chain from hook, and again 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochet stitch from the previous row. And now you're gonna chain 4. Here I'm just counting. Now chain 4, and what we're going to do, we're going to add a single crochet on top of the triple crochet from previous row here. 1 single crochet in each of the triple crochet from previous row, total of 4 single crochet here, and then you're going to chain 4, and you're gonna add 1 double crochet in each of the double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet from previous row. You just have to see that this part is always lining up with the double crochet from the previous row. And this is pretty much the pattern of row 4. You're going to repeat again, chain 4 and 1 single crochet on top of triple crochet from previous row. You're going to repeat until the end of the row, and you're gonna ending with the same 1 double crochet 5 times. And as you see here, the end of the row, you're ending with double crochet, 5 double crochet, and you see how it's lining up, and you can see already the spider stitch start to form up. And from now, row 5 and row 6, you're going to repeat row 4 by chain 3, and again just repeat row 4 exactly 2 more rows like so. I will meet you at the end of row 6. And here you have done 6 rows now. You can count and you can see now we have 6 rows. For row 7, you're going to do something different in row 7. You can see that row 5 and row 6 is just the repeat of row 4. So it's very simple. 4, 5, 6 are the same. For row 7, chain 3 to build up the yarn. 1 double crochet in 4th chain from hook, and 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochet stitch from previous row. As always, you start like so in the beginning and in the end. And now watch out, here gonna be a little different. You're going to chain 1, and you're gonna do a triple crochet on top of the single crochet from previous row. And chain 1 again, and now you're going to repeat add the triple crochet on top of single crochet from previous row, chain 1, and again triple crochet on top of single crochet from previous row, chain 1, and last one, triple crochet on top of single crochet from the previous row. You have made 4 triple crochet, and between you chain 1, and now you chain 1 again, and you're going to add 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet stitch from previous row. And this is the pattern of row 7. You're going to repeat this over again and again, and make sure that in the end of the row you will ending with 1 double crochet in the last 5 double crochet in previous row. So this is the row 7. I'm going to show you how to make row 8, although I have already made a couple sets here. As you see, I already repeated 2 times, but I didn't film it. But now I'm going to show you how you add row 8, because row 8 is just very similar to the first 2 rows. It's just simply the row of double crochet, but just something different that you have to go in between the chain space. So I'm going to show you how you're gonna do it. So when you finish row 7, just chain 3, turn your work over, and you're going to add 1 double crochet in 4th chain from hook, and you're going to add 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochet from previous row, just like how you normally do. And here the difference is you're going to add 1 double crochet in that chain space. You see, chain 1 space, you already add 1, and now you add 1 double crochet on top of the triple crochet, and 1 double crochet in the chain space, and again 1 double crochet on top of triple crochet, and 1 double crochet in the chain space. So pretty much you just add 1 double crochet in between chain space and on top of triple crochet, and then just 1 double crochet along without making any change here. Just 1 double crochet along across, but just make sure that you add 1 double crochet in each of the chain space. Just 1 in the chain space. Don't skip anything, because you need to have a correct number for the next row and for your stitch to line up. If you miss something here, your next row and the row after that will not align. So make sure that you will not skip anything at all. You can also count. It should have the same double crochet as the first start of your double crochet of your first row. So just keep doing that until the end of the row with one double crochet along across. So here how you finish your row 8, and yeah, this called one set, and you're going to repeat row 2 to row 8 for the pattern. I have made in total of 15 sets of the spider stitches, and the last row I add one double crochet row to finish my first panel. So you're going to make as many rows as you want, and just make sure that you make a second panel the same length, the same rows as the first panel before we connect them together. I will show you. And here is my both panels. They both have the same length, the same sets. And now I'm about to sew them up. I decided to sew them just 10 inches up. But if you want it to be more closed, you can sew up as high as you want. I decided to have one side more open because I like to wear it as a shawl as well. But if you like to wear it as a poncho, you can just make a little hole in the middle and just sew both from down, both end up halfway, and have a little space in the middle to put your head in the middle. I don't know if you know what I mean, but that way you would have made poncho. But for me, I just sew up about 9 to 10 inches, so I'll be able to use it as a body wrap and as a shawl as well. And I'm going to only connect the two panels, only one side, because I just like it to be very open at another side. And you can just use the yarn and yarn needle to close it. I just single crochet, simply single crochet both parts together. And this is how it looks like when I leave everything open like so. And the back side is more like a V shape. And then I decided to just add one wooden button, so this way I can close it better. And it's just like the way how it turned out. I don't like it to be all closed, so this way I can use more versatile. I can wrap around my neck to be the shawl, or I can just use the button to close it this way. And that's it. This is how I do this top, and I weave in all the excess yarn and I'm good to go. So let me know in the comment below if you're going to make this body wrap as well. And if you enjoy the guided meditation in the beginning of the video. And if you like this video, just give it a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Find me on Instagram for daily inspiration. And I will see you next video. Take care. Bye bye.